Smile like everything's okay, though some nights I still break away. Too many thoughts I never say, too many tears I hide away. People only see my strength, not the hurt beneath the surface. A weary soul still trying to heal from all the things I couldn't feel. I keep dancing through the rain, trying hard to mask the pain, but my heart is wearing thin. Still I won't let darkness win. So if you see me shining bright, know I fought through endless nights. Every scar became my light, every tear kept me alive. Even when my world turned cold, I still learned to love my soul. Maybe I'm not perfect yet, but I'm proud of who I am. There were times I felt so small, like my voice meant none at all. Still somewhere deep inside I knew one day I would break through. I carried storms within my chest, still gave my heart and gave my best. Even when my spirit shook, I kept standing where I stood. Maybe healing takes its time, maybe stars still need the night, but slowly I'm beginning to see there's still a light inside of me. Oh, when you see me shining bright, know I survived 1,000 fights. Every scar became my light, every tear kept me alive. After all the pain I knew, I finally found my truth. I am stronger than before, and I don't hate myself anymore. I'm done screaming at the sky, asking myself the reasons why. Why I kept breaking my own heart, why I kept tearing me apart. Now every mirror feels like war. I barely know myself anymore. But if I break, then let me break. At least these scars are mine to take. At least these scars are mine to take. Ooh.